So please share some information about RadNet and also DeepHealth in terms of how you develop the data for radiology imaging, specifically in US and European market.
Absolutely. RadNet is the world's largest outpatient imaging chain of centers. We have about 400 locations where we do outpatient imaging of all kinds, from breast cancer screening with X-ray mammography to MRI scans of the brain or the knee, the hip, PET scans, chest X-rays, ultrasound, that whole range. And we at DeepHealth are the digital health division of RadNet, and we are building not only an operating system to help us digitize the way we practice medicine, but also to build novel AI tools to help physicians do their jobs better, to help us find cancer earlier, and to improve the quality of the care we give. DeepHealth is now commercializing some of those tools based on that data that RadNet generates and bringing them to markets around the world, including we have a good market presence, hundreds of customers in the US and in Europe, and are really on the cutting edge of developing modern AI in a way that will help humans all around the world.
And how much time, according to you, that AI going to create to help in reducing the burden on the readers?
You're right. Reading films, it can be very tedious and
Yes.
time-consuming, and so we expect to be building so-called autonomous AI that will read some images on their own sometime in the next 3 to 5 years. We already have data that shows that the AI can read the images better than the humans. What we now need to do is establish that's true at scale and get the regulators on board to allow us to make the claims.
So
Software.
Can we expect that in next 3 years, DeepHealth will be having its own AI platform for this?
We are working hard towards that. Yes, I expect if everything goes according to plan, within 3 years we should have an autonomous AI tool.
Any other how the industry is responding this issue, sir?
We radiologists, I'm a radiologist, we at first were very worried about AI. We thought it would take our jobs away,
Right.
and we were all panicked.
Yes.
That was maybe 10 years ago.
Okay.
Now I think we all feel like the radiologists will not be replaced by AI.
Right.
Instead, the radiologists who use AI will replace radiologists who don't use AI.
Okay.
The AI makes us better. It allows us to practice at the top of our license, to do the work that we were trained to do, and the drudgery work, the kind of boring stuff, that we can hand off to the machine.
So it won't in any way replace radiologists?
No, the demand for medical imaging is growing so fast that we're happy to have AI come and assist us. I think there was concern about that previously. That concern has pretty much died away.
And one more thing, last question, sir. There is a shortage of radiologists, specifically in India as well as in APAC.
Yes.
I don't know about US and
all around the
Europe.
world. Yes.
So how you want to improve on this?
Yes.
At one level there is a shortage, but at the other level there is a use of AI and other platforms which is going to reduce the burden on radiologists.
I think that's going to be the long-term solution. In some fields like pathology, we already have machines that can read some of the images, so the doctor never needs to look at them.
Right.
And if we could do that in radiology, the workforce gap would not go away completely, but it would shrink a lot, and that would be great.
This is the only solutions that will help to reduce the burden on.
I don't think we can train enough doctors fast enough.
Okay.
And their productivity can be enhanced by AI, but not really enough to make up this gap.